Hello and welcome to the world of my books and stories. This is the segment that I call Story Time, and today's story is a very special birthday one because it was Tahir's birthday and his Nadia auntie wanted to give him a gift. So do you know what she said to him? Come on Tahir, let's go to the biggest shop in the world. The biggest shop in the world? Tahir asked. He'd never heard of it. Of course, that's the best place to shop for your birthday gift, his aunt said, because you'll get anything that you want there. So Tahir went with his aunt to the biggest shop in the world. I'm going to show you the biggest shop in the world there. Okay, you know, this biggest shop in the world was 3 stories high, and Nadia auntie took Tahir to the first floor. Do you know what was in the first floor? It was full of clothes of all kinds. Alright, all kinds of t-shirts and shorts and jeans, and they were in every imaginable color and every kind of pattern that you would expect to see. Look at Tahir. Tahir walked around the shop and he looked at all the clothes which were there. And look, he was even trying on some, but you can see that this one doesn't fit well, and you can see that Tahir is not very happy with this one. So his aunt asked him, did you like anything? Tahir said, no, Nadia auntie, I didn't like anything. None of them fits me well. I want a gift that was made for me, that will fit me really well. Alright, Nadia auntie said, let's go to the second floor of the biggest shop in the world. Now, what do you think the second floor of the biggest shop in the world had? It was full of toys. Look. It had all kinds of toys that you would imagine, you know. I'm going to show you more. Look, it had trucks and cars, and it had balls of all sizes. It had all kinds of bats. And Nadia auntie told Tahir, you can buy something here. So Tahir walked around that whole shop and he looked at everything. And then you know what he said? Nadia auntie, I don't want any toy from here. Why not? His aunt asked. You know, she was so surprised because any child would have grabbed a toy from there. But Tahir had a reason. He said, Nadia auntie, I want a toy that will grow with me. But these are not toys that are going to grow with me. So I don't want anything from here. Alright, Nadia auntie said, you know, she was a little surprised and a little disappointed too. Never mind, let's go to the third floor of the biggest shop in the world. And do you know what the third floor had? It was a sweet shop. Can you see? There were rows and rows of sweets. Look at those colors. Look at those things in the trays. There were big sweets and small sweets. There were sweets that were floating in syrup, and there were sweets that had been wrapped in shiny paper. There were hard sweets, soft sweets, and Tahir walked slowly. Look at him looking at all of them. He walked around the room and he looked at all the sweets, and he said, you know what, Nadia auntie, I don't like any of these sweets. You know what I want? I want a sweet that is made specially for me. I don't want this kind of a sweet. And now Nadia auntie was really surprised. She said, don't you like anything at all in the biggest shop in the world? I mean, think of it. You had a whole floor of clothes of all kinds. You had another floor which was full of toys, every imaginable toy, and a third floor which was full of all kinds of sweets. But Tahir shook his head and said, no, I don't like any of these. And they came back home. Now, Nadia auntie thought a lot about what Tahir had wanted. Do you remember what he had said? He wanted something that would fit him, a toy that would grow with him, and a sweet that was made specially for him. And then Nadia auntie knew exactly what she could give Tahir. So she called him and she gave him something in his hand, and she said, here is a toy that will grow with you. You know what it was? It was a tiny little seed. She told Tahir, plant it, and when you water it, it will grow with you. Look, this is how it's going to grow. Can you see how wonderful it is? Tahir thought this was a wonderful idea, and then he remembered, but Nadia auntie, I wanted a sweet, remember, that would be made specially for me. You will have the sweet, his aunt said, when this tree grows, because it is going to have fruits which will be made specially, grown specially for you. And Tahir was happy, you know, at the thought of this. And then he remembered that he had wanted one more thing. Nadia auntie, I also said that I wanted something that fit me perfectly. What about that gift? When am I going to get that? You're going to get it right now, Nadia auntie said. And she hugged him because this was made for Tahir. It fitted him perfectly and it made him very, very happy. Alright, so this is the book, you know, the biggest shop in the world. I've written the story, and do write and let me know what you thought of it, and also tell me what kinds of gifts you like for your birthdays. You can also tell me about the best birthday gift that you've ever had, and I'd love to hear your stories about this. So until the next time, keep reading, keep smiling, and keep sharing, because that's the best way to enjoy things. Bye bye, and thank you for watching.